This question is about, would like to buy a flat. You guys are leaving home and you're deciding whether you're going to buy a one-room flat on the very, very outskirts of Lund somewhere for 800,000 kronas, or a small two-room flat also on the outskirts of Lund somewhere for 1.8. But the problem is that the prices have gone up since last month. And now these flats cost 5% more. So you would like to know what the increase in price is. Here we could be using factor change, okay? So 5% of, we're trying to find out what 5% is. We know that that's equivalent, 5% is the same as 0.05. 5 hundredths is 5%. 5% of 800,000. Let's rearrange that so it's a little bit easier and get rid of the decimal points. Let's multiply this one by 100 to get 5 here. If I multiply this number by 100, I divide this number by 100, or divide by 100. Okay, so that would give me 5 here, multiplied by. If I divide by 100, I'd go back. So I'd have 5 times 8,000. 5 eighths are 40. 40 what? 40,000 krona. So the price increase of this 800,000 krona flat, if it was 5%, would be 40,000 kronas. I'm using the factor change here, 0.05, instead of 5% of 800,000. These two things are exactly the same. 5 hundredths is 0.05. What about then for the next flat? Well, we'd use the same thing, 0.05, 5% of 1,800,000. Again, I'd like to get rid of the decimal point here by multiplying by 100. If I multiply that one by 100, I've got to divide the other one by 100. Getting rid of 2 zeros, giving me 180. No, 80,000. Okay? 5 18s are going to be 90. 10 18s would be 180, so 5 18s must be 90. 90, and then all my zeros, 1,000. So a 5% change in price of a small flat is only going to be 40,000. But another flat that costs more than double as much, of course, is going to have a much higher price increase, and that's what they want you to try and understand. The percentage is the same, but this one is now costing 1,890,000.